Hi, I'm Darleen Nixon and welcome to my studio. We're going to do something really exciting today. It's called twisted cane. So I want to show you how I go about making twisted cane, and maybe in a few days you'll actually see the finished piece. This is the color palette I've chosen to work with today to make this twisted cane, so you got to kind of think ahead of what colors you want to work with. So we're going to start by making the base that I'm then going to twist. So with this one, we're kind of going with some, I don't know, Santa Fe Taos colors today. So with twisted cane, you come up with a base. This base is going to be in a transparent color. I find that the transparent colors work really well for showing the stripes in the cane and bringing the color through. I'm going to take off that initial piece of glass and get us a better glass. So the first piece of making the twisted cane is making the base that we're going to pull from. Again, this is my soda lime glass. My glass all comes for my beads from Murano, Italy. So it melts really quickly. It gets to be the consistency of honey, as you can see here. We're going to form it into a barrel and then begin applying stripes to the barrel that are going to eventually become our twisted cane. So what I'm going to do is pull this drippy hot glass out and start forming it into the barrel shape that I want to make my twisted cane. So now I've got my barrel and I've got my stripes that I'm going to add the color to. First one is this lovely kind of carnelian orange, and we're going to add that stripe to this barrel to start forming the color ribbons that are going to be in the twisted cane. So we get it really hot and molten. I drag my glass across and I've got two stripes. And now we're going to add two more. This yummy opaque turquoise blue. Put a little stripe of that on that base transparent blue, and another stripe on the other side. So we've now got the four stripes that I'm going to use in this twisted cane. Obviously you can make as many stripes as you want, and that's the beginning of our twisted cane. Now what I'm going to do is I need to punty up. I need a handle to be able to pull and twist this cane. So I've got clear glass, and the reason I choose to put clear glass on the edge is so that I can see through the glass, see to my base bead and the stripes on it to determine how fast I'm pulling and where I'm going to pull. So I'm going to put just a clear point on the edge of, so we've got our clear point there, and now we're going to punty it up. Punty just means adding a handle. I love using, if this isn't the craziest thing, but it works, so don't question it. I love using these metal, stainless steel chopsticks. Yep, it's true. They don't melt because they're stainless steel in the 1800 degree temperature. If I was using glass, obviously it'd be getting soft at the same time. So I just stuck my chopstick in there. I'm going to get it stuck on all sides, and now I've got my punty of my chopstick. So now I'm going to burn off the glass on the other side, and I'm going to punty up my left side with another metal chopstick so that we can begin the process. So we've got both sides puntied up now with our metal chopsticks, and now what I'm going to do is aim the heat right in the middle of our base glass that has its stripes on it, because I want the softness to begin in the middle of the glass, not on the ends where it's attached to my punty. I want the punties to remain firm, but I want to be able to manipulate this glass. So you can see now it's really gotten a hot glowing color. I'm beginning to sense that I've got fluid glass. I don't want it to be too fluid or I'll lose the glass altogether, it'll just drip. It's ready now, so I'm going to begin to twist at the same time that I'm pulling. Depending on how fast you twist and how fast you pull will be the tightness of your cane. I'm also changing the heat direction where I feel it's necessary when I feel it's cooling, taking it up or down. So there is our twisted cane. What you'll see once it cools is that orange becomes more brilliant. Right now it's a little warm. I've got that beautiful turquoise on that transparent turquoise base. Now what happens to the chopsticks, you ask yourself? Well, we want to use them again. They're very hot. So I'm going to reach down here and get my glass clippers, clip off that end of my chopstick, clip off this end. And to get these chopsticks clean, I stick them in water. That really shocks the glass and then makes it easy to get the glass off my chopsticks so I can use them again. But what we'll then do later today, for you to see next week, is we will take this beautiful cane and I will make a base bead out of this blue, and then I'm going to solidly wrap around the base bead this cane, so you just see a hint of the transparent blue coming through. So next Tuesday you're going to see the actual finished bead from this cane that we made today. Thanks for visiting us. Have a great day.